Okay, now you can go walking. Mama's coming. Okay, you can start walking. You can start walking. You can stop there. Whenever he stops, stop. Of all places, a fire hydrant. Your first fire hydrant. Okay. Let me walk side by side with you too. Okay. Put him in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. Come on. We're here.
We're here.
Okay. Right now he's trying to get that muzzle off, but as much as I want it off, you know why it's got to stay on.
It's gonna stay on.
Then you can really get to full enjoyment outside.
Yeah.
But if I try to put him back on, he'll,
Yeah.
he'll bite. Okay.